it will be directly not reflect here. You want to change, you want to switch another display, example display number 4. After that it will be reflect. You can see here analog value 20 and 25, analog value 25, also 25 is not showing. Why not showing 25? What happening? State here must show 25. Okay, 25, 30, 35. Okay, understand. 35, and you learning something new. You can see in the runtime is not showing caption, but I am changing in the development mode. 35, 40, it will be 35 and 45, 50, 55, and it will be 60. Okay, so it will be reflect. How it will be reflect? You want to switch again another display, any display, not animation 4. It's for learning purpose I created animation 4, that's why I'm click on animation 4. You can create any display, so you want to only switch from one display to another display. After switched, when you back main display, it will be reflect here. You can see 25, and in 25 what is the what I have to choose the which color. You can see in the multi-state indicator is showing in the one state, in the two state, which color? Yellow color. Okay, and in the 4 state 30, which color? You can see here 30. In the 30 value, which color? I don't know what is the color name anyway. And in 40, which color is showing? In 35 it's showing error. Why it's showing error? We want to know why it's showing error. In 45, in 45, no, which color? 35. In the 35 it's showing error. I think something is missing. What is missing? If okay, it will be 35, sorry, it will be 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and one another copy and paste it. Insert a new state and paste it here. Current state, it will be changed 60, and in the 60, okay, in the 60 example. So again I want to change display, it's changed 35. You can see in the 35 which color is reflecting in the multi-state indicator. 35 on 35 value showing white color, in the 40 value showing dark white, in 45 value showing blue, 50 showing dark green, and 55 again showing red, and 60 it's showing which color? Black color. So this multi-state indicator and multi-state button you can use in your logic. It's SCADA, but also you can in logic, you have to think how to create a logic and how to use multi-state button in particular logic. I will, if you want, so you can comment. I will create a video on particular topic with multi-state indicator and multi-state button, when I will discuss with FactoryTalk View Studio and Studio 5000 both combination video. Means I will create a video on combination, how to create faceplate, how to do parameter passing, how to use macro, how to use macro, how to create a library, how to use image, how to use parameter passing, how to use trend, how to use snapshot trend, how to use trend snapshot template, how to use XY plot and logic control. I can derivative tag, event, macro, client, data log. Data log I already told, I already created, but in depth knowledge I will create video again. And also all FactoryTalk View Studio, I will not any topic, all topic you can learn from my videos. And also without, again I going to tell you one things, without FactoryTalk View faceplate, how to create a faceplate in FactoryTalk View, and how to write a add-on for FactoryTalk, for how to write add-on for pump, for switch, for valve, for any analog that is that are using in the industry. So you cannot write logic, you cannot create any SCADA if you don't know. So first, if you know all those things basics, when step by step I will create video on SCADA. So you want to follow each and every video. If you skipped any video, you cannot understand. You cannot understand of the FactoryTalk View and SCADA. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn from my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. And one another things, if you want create a, if you have any doubt, you can ask free mind, you can ask doubt in the comment box. I will be definitely reply you, give you reply. So thank you, have a great day, keep learning, keep growing.